Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Charge the iPad to at least 20% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once done, make sure you have the Apple ID used to activate the device or a clear proof of purchase. Apple will need that. Next, connect the iPad Mini 2 to a Mac or PC using a genuine Lightning cable and open Finder or iTunes. You do this now because the next steps require a stable computer connection and credentials to proceed with activation lock removal. You should attempt the simplest option first, sign into iCloud. Com with the Apple ID on the locked iPad and remove the device from Find My iPhone. If you cannot access that account, prepare to contact Apple support directly. They verify ownership with original receipts and serial numbers and can lift the activation lock. Avoid third-party unlock tools. If Apple asks you to restore the device, follow their recovery mode instructions and let Finder or iTunes reinstall firmware under their guidance. Once Apple confirms removal, disconnect, and restart the iPad Mini 2, you should reach the activation setup screen. You can restore from an iCloud or iTunes backup or set it up as new. Choose based on your available backups. If the restore fails, retry recovery mode, switch cables, change USB ports, and reboot your computer. These hardware fixes often resolve connectivity errors. If problems persist, escalate back to Apple support. Provide the serial number and proof of purchase, and request deeper diagnostics or an escalation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.